Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, HP Smart Tank 610 series printer, and I'm gonna show you how to connect this printer to the Wi-Fi network using the HP Smart application. As you can see, now I'm connected to this. I'm connected to the Wi-Fi network with this printer, but if you don't connect it, you need to connect your printer to your desktop device, to Windows or Mac device using the USB cable. So USB-B on the one side and USB to connect to your printer, to your PC. For example, if you have Mac, you need to have USB-C. If you have any other USB connector, so use any other, for example USB-A. But printer has only USB-B input and output. So cool. Connect your printer, then choose your HP Smart Tank 610 series in HP Smart application if you have it here. So add it using this button, then click Setup New Printer, or if this option isn't work, so use Finish Setup or Add Printer that's already set up. And you will have this printer here. Click on it, then scroll down, choose Advanced Settings, and it will open the local website, but in this case it will not be the network connection. It will be, as you can see, it's not the network connection. This is the USB wired connection. It's local USB connection. So here I have the same web server with the same settings, but wireless. Of course, it will work faster and it's great. But now we have no internet connection. So you have no internet connection and you have no IP address right now. And now we need to set it up. To do it, and to open the network and find here wireless setup wizard. Click OK, advanced, continue, and here click next. It will search for wireless networks. So find the network you want to connect, click next, enter the password from this network, click next again, great, the wireless settings have been saved on the printer and the printer is now connected to the network. And now to connect your printer to the to check if your printer is connected, so you need to connect your Mac or Windows device to the same Wi-Fi network as your printer is connected and enter. So firstly you don't need to enter something. Firstly you need to find network, and here so you can open the home page, and here in network summary you will have the IP address. Okay, copy this IP address, maybe you will have the other IP address different, and enter this IP address here in your browser, and here you will have the Ambit web server connected via Wi-Fi, via network. Okay, so great, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.